In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on this Ford Escape. It's going to be located on the passenger side underneath the glove box. Let's get into it. Now there's little tabs right here. I'm just going to pull these down. Pull this panel down. Pull it down out of the way. Just like that. Then you can pull that out of the way. Using a T20 driver, loosen up this screw. You could use a T20 socket if you need to. All right, take that screw out. And you're gonna grab the cover. There's two little tabs right here. You just squeeze those. And it comes out. Reach in, grab the cabin filter. Just want to pull that out. You can see the arrows on the filter. That's the airflow. So you want the filter to go like this, so the airflow is going to come in from the front. Slide the filter in place. Just going to bend the filter a little bit. And just slide it in place. You push it in to make sure it goes in all the way. It should have opened up in there. Take the cover. Get that started up top. It's in place. Take the screw, get that started. Snug that down and take this panel, slide this in place, push it up, and the two little clips go in the push pins, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.